Rico sta qui, ma con me. In this institution, and I pray, oh my God, I pray. เอาเถอะล่ะ For revolution. And so I dream sometimes when I lie in bed, it's too late. All of what's in my head, I'm feeling a little peculiar. So I wake in the morning and step outside, and I take a deep breath and I get real high, and I scream to the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, 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 I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, I said, hey, what's going on? My life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope. For my destiny.